You can expect a lot from the 2008 Toyota 4Runner. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, power trunk closing assist, a rear window wiper, front and rear cup holders, front fog lights, skid plates, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.